In this video, I'm going to be explaining what is CC and BCC in email. Okay, so if you get an email and you notice that some people are CC'd into the email, as an example, I have a test email right here. If I click on this drop down arrow that says show details, you can see here is a CC and then my other email address. Now what CC means is it's a carbon copy of the email. So when people CC people into an email, they are sent the exact same email. And typically this is done in the workplace to send it to co-workers just to fill them in the loop to know what's happening. And typically they don't require a response from you if you're CC'd into an email. Now you get BCC, which is blind carbon copy, which you won't be able to see here in the list. You can only see the CC and not the BCC. So if someone wants to send the exact same email to someone, they will use the BCC, and you can select these two different options if you go to compose, and then you can see here you get the CC option. So you click that to CC someone in, and if you want to BCC someone in, you click on that. So that's pretty much it. CC means carbon copy, and BCC is a blind carbon copy where you won't be able to see that they have been BCC'd into the email. Hope this makes sense. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.